Hello, today we're going to take some real quick short notes on finding the circumference in terms of pi. This is the same thing as finding the circumference, which is the distance around the circle. But when it says in terms of pi, we actually do not have to calculate 3.14 for pi. We're just going to use this as pretty much like an estimate, okay? So remember, to find the circumference, to find the distance around the circle, you can do pi times the diameter, which is the distance all the way across, or to find the circumference, 2 times pi times the radius. 2 times that radius is obviously the diameter. So either formula will work. For number 1, it shows us that the radius, the distance halfway across, is 6. So if I start with circumference is pi times diameter, we can leave pi alone when we do in terms of pi. We do not have to substitute 3.14 in. The radius is 6, which means the diameter would be 12. So our answer, all we have to say is circumference is 12 pi. That is it. You do not have to actually calculate 12 times 3.14. Over here, circumference is pi times diameter. We can leave pi alone. The diameter, the distance all the way across this circle, is 18. So to find the in terms of pi, circumference is 18 pi. Okay. That was finding circumference. Down here, use the same circles as above, but we're going to find the area in terms of pi. Remember to find area, pi radius squared. So on this first one, I'll start with the formula, pi times radius squared. Again, in terms of pi, when it says that, you can leave that alone. We do not have to substitute 3.14 in for pi. The radius of this circle up here, the distance halfway across, was 6. So I can substitute in 6 squared. We know that 6 squared is 36. So the area in terms of pi would be 36 pi. And then the second one, area is pi r squared. We can leave pi alone. The radius halfway across would be 9. So we can substitute 9 in for radius. 9 squared is 81. So area in terms of pi would be 81 pi.